master painter works at her easel. Behind her, a student watches every brush stroke. The student's goal isn't to copy the finished painting, it's to copy the master's eye, how she sees the subject, which features she emphasizes. The master's perception, compressed into the student. This is knowledge distillation. ISM2 has 650 million parameters and requires a GPU with 80 gigabytes. Your clinical app needs to run on a hospital laptop. The master produces extraordinary work, but can't be present at every exhibition. You need a student smaller, faster who captures the master's skill at a fraction of the cost. The master classifies a protein. Hard label, enzyme. Soft label, 70% enzyme, 15% transport protein, 10% receptor, 5% structural. The soft distribution carries dark knowledge. The similarity between enzymes and transport proteins is invisible in the hard label but explicit in the soft. The student learning soft labels understands protein relationships the hard labeled student never sees. At temperature 1, the master is sharply confident, 95% enzyme. Raise temperature to 5, 40% enzyme, 25% transport, 20% receptor. The interclass similarities become visible. Temperature amplifies the master's subtle judgments. The student trains on softened distributions, deploys at temperature 1. The loss combines two signals. Cross-entropy between master's soft predictions and student soft predictions at temperature T, learning the master's eye. Plus cross-entropy between hard labels and students' predictions at temperature 1, anchoring to reality. Alpha near 0.9, mostly trust the master. Why does this work? The master's soft labels encode three things hard labels miss. Which classes are similar? Which inputs are ambiguous? Which features the master considers important? A 10 million parameter student trained on master's soft labels consistently outperforms the same student trained on hard labels alone. The student can paint, not with the master's subtlety, but 95% as well at 1/60th the cost. She fits on a laptop, runs in milliseconds, can be deployed in a clinic,